Hello, hello! Welcome to another virtual English lesson. Are you ready to start? Okay, here we go. Today we're going to practice new vocabulary about fall. Remember, fall is one of the 4 seasons of the year. The tree leaves change colors. It's more cold. Plants stop making food and the animals prepare food for long months. Fall runs from September to November. Okay, now here we have our vocabulary words. Remember that we need to read, to listen, and say each vocabulary. Here we go. The first one is leaf. 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 Leaves in fall change the color. It turns orange, yellow, or red. Leaf. 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 Ta-da! Here we have a tree stump. Tree stump. Tree stump. A tree stump is a part of a tree trunk. Tree stump. Tree stump. Tree stump. Here we have an acorn. 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 Say with me. Acorn. Squirrels love acorn. This is a big acorn. Acorn. Wow, look at this. This is a pumpkin. 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 This is a big pumpkin. 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 Mushroom. 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 This is a mushroom. This is a small mushroom. Mushroom. Log. 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 This is a short word. Log. Log. I see a brown log. We have a paw print. Paw print. Paw print. Paw print. Say with me. Paw print. Very good. It's a paw print. Now look at this. This is a delicious apple. 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 I see a red apple. Apple. And finally we have a crow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Crow. 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 Crow is a type of bird. Crow. I see a black crow. Crow. Very good. Now let's practice this sight word. Okay? Found. 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 Say with me. Found. Found. Very good. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Found. Let's read it again. Found. Very good. Found. Now let's read some sentences using the sight word found. Are you ready? Here we go. I found the apple. I found the apple. I found the apple. Very good. Now it's your turn. Very good. Nice job. Let's read it. This sentence. I found the leaf. I found the leaf. I found the leaf. Leaf. Very good. Well done. I found the acorn. I found the acorn. I found the acorn. Well done. I found the log. I found the log. Now it's your turn. Well done, very good. I found the log. I found the pumpkin. I found the pumpkin. Very good, boys and girls. Well done. Thanks for watching.